Welcome back. As I said, I am Akonji Korede, a math tutor. I'm here to consolidate our knowledge in advanced function. So by solving some practice questions. So last class, we solved questions on inverse function. But today, I'm going to solve the second question on composite functions. So now that's question number 2. Let f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. And another function, g of x equals to square root of x minus 3. So we are asked to find the composite function f of g. So when we say f of g, that is, we want to bring two functions together to become one. So let us write the function separately again. So f of x, x squared plus 2x plus 1. So f of x as 2. F of x as, so now f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. And g of x equals square root of x minus 3. So we are asked to find the f of g. So we are asked to find f of g. Okay, x. So now, how do we find this? Okay, it shows that we need to be careful on the orientation of the letter, because here it was f written first. So it shows that you need to go to the f of x function. X variable will be substituted to what? G of x. So that's all. So let us try to do it. So f of g will be, so instead of writing x squared in f of x, I will write square root of x minus 3 squared plus 2 into brackets square root of x minus 3. Do you get that? Plus 1. So let's open the brackets. So we have, when we square roots, so we'll have x minus 3 plus 2 square root of x minus 3 plus 1. So I just want to rewrite. So x plus 2 square root of x minus 3. Okay. Minus 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So the f, we are done. Just to write the statement. F of g, okay, equals x plus 2 root x minus 3 minus 2. So that's it. And second question, you are asked to find the domain. Find the domain. Determine the domain of the f of g. So domain is all the values of x, while range defined by all the values of what? Y. But here we have to find domain. So if it is a polynomial function, the domain of a polynomial function is just all real numbers. But because of the square root, this is not a polynomial. So, and of course, we all know that square roots can never be negative. So if you want to find the domain of this function, you just need to consider the square root part, which is 2 root x minus 3, okay, must be, do you get that? Must be equal or greater to 0. So, of course, that is root x minus 3 must be what? Greater or equal to 0, because square root of negative is undefined. So, of course, x minus 3 greater or equal to 0. So, x must be greater or equal to 3. So, that's the domain. So, the starting point of values of x must be 3 and above. So, the domain is what? X greater or equal to 3. Do you get that? Or we can write it in interval form. In interval form, the domain can be 3 to positive infinity. So because 3 is included, so we need to use square bracket. So again, thank you very much. This is the end of the second question. So watch out for my next video to solve the third question. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.